How to find notification dots settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification dots settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy and then click settings and then go down until you find here shortcuts and click on it and then click this one notification dots, and as you see here you can manage notification dots settings easy and fast. And that's how to find notification dots settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.